Welcome everyone to Project Protein. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we're all about a high protein diet. For this video we're going to be going over the Santa Protein Breakfast Smoothie. Okay, so just to give a bit of an overview for this particular protein smoothie, it's a breakfast style smoothie, so it's going to have some good fruits in it, some strawberries, but it does have a little bit of flavors. And the main flavors are going to be, it's a strawberry and cream type of smoothie with a little bit of sugar cookie to kind of give a little bit extra something and a little bit extra kind of sweetness. So with that, it comes in at 457 calories, about 49 grams of protein, and like I said, strawberry, cream, some sugar cookies. So the first thing you're going to get here is the strawberry, and for me, strawberries are good for eye health, they're good for your heart health. They're really, really good. They got some antioxidants, vitamin C, good for immunity, and overall it's a really, really good fruit anytime during the fall, winter season. So love strawberry, and plus just it's not quite as sweet, so it's definitely a powerhouse type of fruit for the morning. Next you're gonna get some sugar cookie mix, and I just use the Betty Crocker one. You can use any one you want out of the store. A couple tablespoons full of the sugar cookie mix, and that's just gonna give that little bit extra sweetness to really kind of make the strawberry and the cream stand out a little more and really kind of make it a little more dessert-like, just like Santa Claus would. Obviously sugar cookies during Christmas is delicious. So with that, we also have the Italian sweet cream, just 1 ounce of this. I freeze it up at least for 12 hours, makes it a little bit thicker, and it definitely provides the rich creaminess, which goes perfect with strawberries, but it does bring a little bit extra sweetness as well. So it's not just the standard creamer, it does have a little bit extra sweetness, which I think for Santa Claus is perfect. And then last but not least, any type of vanilla style jello. This one's just a French vanilla, but you can use any style of vanilla, white chocolate type of jello. It's gonna thicken it up, and then it just gives a little bit extra flavorings, just because otherwise it's just kind of strawberry and cream and sugar cookie, but like the vanilla does give it a little bit something different. And so with that, let's go ahead and make it. Alright, so if you love Santa Claus and you love the holiday spirit, you love that kind of sweetness, bakedness, you're gonna love this one. So definitely strawberry and the cream definitely are like paired together. They're one and the same. And then the sugar cookie and specifically the sweet cream, I think elevates it to where it's not just bland and boring. It definitely tastes a little bit sweeter, which brings out the strawberry and the cream even more. I can't. The strawberry and the cream is just definitely the prominent flavors, but the sweetness definitely elevates it. And the jello makes it just thick enough, and you get a little bit of this kind of vanilla more in the back end to make it not too boring. Overall though, it's a very, very basic style of smoothie. Flavor-wise, nothing too crazy, but it does remind me a lot of kind of a holiday type season in terms of just a little bit of the sweeter style, but still kind of big, full, just like Santa, big, full. Yeah, so if you like strawberries and cream, you're gonna really like it. And if you like your smoothies a little bit sweeter, you're gonna really, really enjoy this one. Sugar cookie, not too much, but it is a little bit prevalent more towards the end. What can I say? If you love Santa, you're gonna love the smoothie. So with that, go ahead, try it yourself. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end of the video. I definitely appreciate it. And if you can go ahead and smash the subscribe button, you're gonna get more high protein recipes like this one for your high protein diet. And leave your thoughts in the comments down below, what you think about this recipe and what you think about other type of videos for the channel. I'm gonna make them for you guys. And with that, I appreciate you. Thank you.